morning mga Orbs and Orbettes. Wala mo kung anong gagawin natin today. Ultimate Pizza Taste Test. Growing up, pizza has been one of my favorite foods. Lagi ako kumakain ng pizza. Grabe ako kumain ng pizza. Naalala ko nung elementary ako, the night before our graduation. Nagubos ako isang buong box ng pizza, mag-isa ko lang. The next day, sumakit tiyan ko, tapos hindi na ako naka-attend ng graduation rites namin. Tapos naisip ko, why don't I do it again? Mag-pizza taste test tayo. Establish ko lang yung ground rules. Syempre, in a pizza place, sobrang daming pizza options to choose from. So, to make it quote-unquote fair, I'm gonna be asking yung servers kung ano yung may recommend nila. Tapos kung ano yung una nila sasabihin, yun yung orderin natin. So, naset na natin yung rules. Let's go to the first location in 3, 2, 1. Well, mag-drive pa lang ako. First impression ko dito is date place talaga siya. I can easily imagine people getting engaged here kasi parang masaya mag-propose dito eh. Ang ganda ng lugar. Andito na siya! The three most important elements na hinahanap ko sa cheese are yung flavor, meltability, and stretchiness. And meron siya ng tatlong yun. This one is easy to chew. Melts in your mouth. It's creamy and soft. I like everything until naabutan ko yung crust. Yung gusto ko kasi na crust is a little bit chewy and a little bit sunog-sunog. I think the crust on this one fell a little bit short. Pero every bite I took until nakain ko yung crust, it was nakaka-addict. So I'm gonna give this an 8.5 out of 10. So that was a fun time. Nalimutan ko i-mention yung pangalan ng pizza na in-order ko. It's called Quattro Formaggi. By the way guys, napansin niyo ba? Bago yung camera ko. Sinusundan ako. Well, technically, hindi akin yung camera na to. So, kapatid ko to. I'm using the Osmo. My vlogs are gonna be super duper cool now. Wow, it's so nice here. Sobrang ganda ng aesthetic ng place. It might be too early to tell, but I think this is gonna be my favorite place today. Sobrang ganda ng design dito, lamig ng aircon, bango pa ng hand soap nila. This is actually my second time trying to go here. The first time dumating ako mga 4 PM, sarado sila. Yung operating hours kasi ng Carlos is 11 AM to 3 PM, tapos 6 PM to 10 PM. Kaina, may friend ako dito, nakasalubong ko. Kumakain ng lunch, diba? Hi ako, hi din siya. Small talk. Sabi, oh, sino kasama mag-lunch? Sabi, meeting a friend. Knowing full well na mag-isa na ako ngayon. Nagupo ko dito sa table, nilagay ko yung camera dyan sa harap ko. Dumaan siya para mag-CR. Nakita niya, kausap ko kayo. Hindi mo na ako mag-isa, diba? Kasi kasama ko naman kayo kumain. I don't know if that story made sense. Okay na ba? Tahimik na ako ngayon habang hinihintay natin dumating yung pizza. Okay. It's here! Wow, sobrang bango niya. This is their spicy vodka pizza drizzled with mozzarella, topped off with pepperoni, and finished with fresh gratings of Parmigiano Reggiano. Parang favorite ko to. I'm very impressed. The dough was very chewy. The sauce had a lot of flavor in it. This is such a good pizza. Sobrang sarap, sobrang flavorful. Malaki pa na serving. Sorry mga Orb, hindi ko na muna ibaba yung pizza na to. Kailangan ko na siya ubusin. Yung crust din, perfect amount of crunchiness. Pagka ganito yung pizza, gusto ko pina-fold siya ng pag ganito eh. Try nga natin with this sauce. That's some good honey right there. Very good. Alright. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Anytime na ako ubusin yung pizza, but I gotta save room kasi may mga iba pa tayong pupuntahan. The only reason kaya hindi ko rin siya nabigyan ng 10 out of 10, pizza kasi na to, it's kind of limp. See? Mas sumarap siya the second time around pa. Puro pizza boxes na yung kotse, no? I just learned na hindi pala pwede mag-order ng by the slice sa mga Italian pizza places. Kailangan laging buo. So, ang dami kong uwi na pizza ngayon kasi may 3 pa tayong pizza places na upuntahan. So, yung gagawin ko, sorry, maingay. So, yung gagawin ko, pag-uwi, i-freeze ko lahat ng mga pizzas na yun. Tapos, i-reheat ko na lang pagkakainin ko na. Talino ko, no? Parang nag-meal prep na rin ako.
Margarita pizza. Any food allergies or any food restrictions?
None. Okay. I like this place. There's a bit of casual vibe to it. Yung Pizza Sisters pala parang part siya ng Pinks. Tapos katabi niya lang pala yung Shang. Itong area na to, it brings back a lot of memories. I dated someone 2 years ago. Nandito kami sa Shang area a lot. Naka-check-in kami dito siguro mga 4 times na. Those were some fun times. Lumipat lang ako ng pwesto para under the umbrella ako. So, it's finally here. Itong pizza na to looks like a pizza that you order at 2 AM. Tapos pagka dumating, you can't really complain kasi galing ka naman sa night out, enjoy ka naman, tapos kakain ka ng masarap na pizza. Smells good. The toppings look very enticing. I can smell I think it's basil. The crust looks lovely. The staff was also very friendly. Tikman na natin. Oh shit, this is good. This Perfect combination of sweet and salty. Tapos yung pizza, it's not limp at all. The crust looks very golden. This could be my favorite. Sinabi pa nila mag-add tayo nito. Is their chili honey. Saktong kick of spice siya. The crust has lived up to its hype. Crunchy on the outside, just chewy on the inside. I like it. Double check ko lang yung green dito. It's basil. Ang bango-bango niya talaga. I think I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Sobrang perfect talaga lahat. The dough was amazing. Yung sauce was the perfect level of sweet and salty. Never ko inisip na parang, may element dito na out of place or may component dito na medyo weird yung lasa. Everything was good. Everything was in perfect harmony. Na-trigger ako. Sobrang sarap niya talaga. Another lovely outdoor kind of pizza place. I think this is the longest time I've stayed outdoors. Jabar na ako. Pawis na yung singit ko. Pero okay lang. I'm gonna push through. Bakit? Kasi nag-enjoy ako. Nag-enjoy ako kasama nyo. Nag-enjoy din ako kumain ng pizza. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Amano. This is our fourth spot. Every time may nakikita akong kakilala ko dito, tumitinaw sa baba para hindi mo na kami mapansinan. Diyan na siya. Ito na yung prosciutto and ricotta nila. I love the smell of prosciutto. What makes a good pizza, you might ask? The sauce shouldn't overpower the cheese. Yung crust to sauce ratio should be even. And then the choice of toppings should work fine together. Ito yung tsura niya. Let's have a bite. Wow, this could be my favorite. Ang bango-bango niya. Kulang lang sa flavor. But I think this honey chili sauce might do the trick. Every bite is better than the last. I like yung crust nito. I appreciate how it's done. I think I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. Not because I like it so much, pero because I can see na yung effort na ginawa nila sa pizza nito. I think they did a good job. We are off to our last pizza spot. Let's have a little bit of a health check. Ngayon, medyo busog na ako. I don't think I can eat another pizza. Pero push through ulit tayo. Why? Because we're having fun. Nag-enjoy ako. Nakailang slices na ba ako? I've been to 4 pizza spots already. Pero per pizza place, nakakain ako ng mga 2 to 3 slices. Sa labas na. Salamat. We are going to Wildflower Italian. Yung maganda dito sa Wildflower Italian is may parking spot sila dito sa baba, which is for free. Ayoko i-gatekeep yun, so now you know. Sa basement lang yun. I'm having so much fun. You know how much fun I'm having? Feeling ko ngayon busog na ako. And at the same time, parang lasing na rin ako sa sobrang dami kong kinain. My stomach is making a lot of funny noises. Buusok pa siya. I ordered the quattro carne. Ooh. Naalala yung sinabi ko sa umpisa ng video na to, yung hinahanap ko sa cheese, meltability, and stretchiness. Tingnan natin kung okay yung flavor nito. It's good. The flavor is there. Yung dough is perfect level of crunch. Yung sauce lang, it kind of overpowers the cheese. Their crust is perfect. Definitely babalik ako dito. Their pizza is excellent. Hindi lang siya parang Pizza Sisters na yung Pizza Sisters kanina hindi ko kaya bitawan. This one parang kaya ko kumain, tapos bababa ako, magkwento muna ako. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Okay, that is it for today's video. Thank you very much na sinamahan nyo dito sa pizza taste test na to. I'm gonna have pizza again for dinner, pizza for breakfast tomorrow, pizza for lunch, for dinner, so on and so forth. I guess maubos na lahat ng mga pizza na yun. I love being your food tour guide. Sana nag-enjoy kayo manood. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye!